You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words that many mispronounce, get confused by. They pronounce them incorrectly. You have the bottom word here, spelling Noble, is an adjective, noble. When you belong to the aristocracy, you are noble, like a king or duke, noble. Now, there is an international prize that is delivered, and it's the Nobel Prize, Nobel Committee, Nobel, all right? So it's not Nobel Prize, it's Nobel Prize, but the adjective is noble. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.